In this video, I am going to show how to install WordPress in Windows 11. Let's get started by downloading XAMPP and WordPress from the following website. Download XAMPP from this website and download WordPress from this website. Okay. I have already downloaded on my machine, so I am going to install XAMPP first on my system. This will take a while. Okay, now start XAMPP control panel. And start Apache web server and MySQL database. Access MySQL database using PHP myadmin. Now create a database. Okay. Now extract WordPress zip archive to htdocs. Okay. This will take a while. You can change this folder name. Okay, navigate to this folder and rename wp config sample file name to wp config. Okay, now open this file with any text editor and enter the database name. My case, my site db, this is my database name, and MySQL database username is root. In my case, password is blank because MySQL database is installed with no password by default with XAMPP. Okay, if you have password for your database username, then enter password here and save this file and go to web browser and browse localhost and then enter the folder name. In this case, my site / web-admin / install.php. Okay, now select language and then click on continue. Now enter title, enter username. Okay, enter a strong password. You can use this password. Store this password. Okay, now enter your email address. Okay, you can check this to discard search engines from indexing this site, because you are installing on localhost. Now click on install WordPress, and WordPress will create some tables inside my SiteDB database. Okay, now enter your email address or username and then enter your password. Okay, and login. Okay, now see the database tables. Okay, WordPress installed successfully on Windows 11. If you like this video, give a like for this video, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.